Hello, this is a project Light for All of Us. It's made by me, Luz Elena Aramis, Juan Domingo Carballo, Miguel Mena, Maria Villarruel, Mariana Pelayo, and Camila Mojica. Our research begins with the concert that we have as a team for the places in the world who don't have electricity. By doing our research, we found a foundation that is in Philippines that helps the poor villages to make their own electricity. By an ecological lamp that is made by a plastic bottle, water, and bleach. We want to introduce this project into the communities in Mexico who don't have access to electricity. This lamp is very effective. It lights the room, and it's awesome because we are helping, economically speaking, to the family because they won't have to pay electricity bills anymore. And also, we will help the environment because we think that we will reduce the amount of plastic waste by reusing the plastic bottles. Also, we will reduce the pollution that produces the production of energy and electricity.
Well, so for our project, we needed water, tap water, and a bottle, and bleach. We didn't know the exact measures, so we guessed them. Here we put a little bit more of half of the bottle, and we're gonna put the bleach. Oops. So we're gonna see if it works in a bathroom where there's no light, but we'll see. So we already tested the bottle, and at the first it didn't work because I think there wasn't the right amount of bleach, and we tried it again but with more bleach and less water, and it kind of works, but the light is not that bright. We took a picture, I'm gonna put it in a moment. It's not the best picture, but it's what we could capture because it was really dark and the light wasn't that bright, so thanks.
Well, honestly, in our project, we didn't have too much difficulties, but I'm gonna mention some of them. Like for example, in the first trial didn't work. We were not sure why. So in the second trial, we decided to change the amount of bleach we used in the first one. So in the second one, after we changed the amount of bleach, it works. So it was because of that. I mean, because of the amount of bleach. Another difficulty could be like the time, because as a team we didn't have like time to meet together to work because we are a team, like in the evenings or that stuff, and because we didn't have time to do it in class. So a difficulty can be that one again. Another difficulty could be like we had to found a very dark place, even in daytime. I mean, in the evening or in the morning, we have to found a very dark place to make our project. And I mean, it's not a difficulty, but we didn't make or generate that light as we expect. So that, I think that's not a difficulty, but it's an advice that you can take, because you might not have or generate as much light as you will like to generate. But I think that's it. We choose an amazing project. We did an amazing work.
Hi Amaya, how you doing? I'm going to talk about the materials we used for the development of our project, and they were a clear plastic bottle, water, and some bleach. And that's it. Thank you.
I'm gonna talk about the improvement that we could have in our project. I think that one of the most important things was to have the right amount of bleach and water because we have to do a lot of like tries for it to work, and we had like bad organization doing that because we didn't have like the correct measurements because our research was kind of weak about that, but in the end, like after trying a lot, we could make it work. So I think our organization in research and in the amount of product was the only thing that we could have had improved because the actual project was really easy to like make in order to like actually have things done, and the writings and all of that was really easy, but the actual project and experimenting with the stuff was the thing that took us like more time.
Now, some of the conclusions we had from this project is that as a team, we realized that there is so much more research that needs to be done in order to make it an actual project that we could pursue in the future, that we could pursue to rural areas in Mexico and like get them that help they need to have a livable life. So the conclusions that we had is that, like Maria said, we have to have a better research on the amount of bleach and water that we have to go. We have to have better research on what places are needed the most, this natural electricity, we could call it. And it's just basically such a good project and such a humanitarian project that we could pursue not only as a group of like students, but we could actually like make it something that the government could get into as well and help those people that need help.